I should start out by pointing out that I'm very happy with my DeWalt table saw. The issue has to do with the fact that because it's a construction site saw, the deck is a bit on the small side, and specifically this area right here between the beginning of the deck and where the front of the blade is. When I try to rip, I had nothing to support the piece on until I got it a good ways, past the blade. I had the same problem with the crosscut sled. And if I pull it back and I wasn't paying attention, it would basically capsize. So anyway, what I did was I came up with this idea. For lack of a better name, it's an infeed tray. The first thing I have to say is this thing is dangerous, and it really is. Here, I'll show you why. Because now, to reach the on-off switch, and specifically to turn it off, is not so easy. In the interim, while I'm experimenting, when I'm cutting a piece of wood, as soon as I can put my left hand next to the off switch, that's exactly what I'll do. It's also got some inconveniences, namely that the wheel to raise and lower the blade, and also that little black wheel, if you know anything about DeWalt saws. So that's to move the rip fence back and forth, is kind of hard to reach. But those are inconveniences, and I have no problem putting up with those inconveniences because without this tray, things start flopping around, and it's also not safe. I literally cobbled this together. You can see it's not even, but I adjusted it at the end with the pieces I put on top. But like I said, literally all I did was cobble this together. Hopefully the next iteration will be safer and more convenient. There is one other issue that I had with trying to use this saw, but I'm going to save that for the next video. It'll also be another short one because it's a unique issue, or it involves a unique product. Anyway, thank you for watching.